Bug alert.
Okay.
Tanya gets on the bus. She has a backpack. The backpack unsnaps. Books and a ball falls out. A big ball falls out. Ick, a big bad bug. Gappered. Paco. The bug is on the book bag. Paco smacks at the bug. The bus stop. Mr. Cop stands up. He says, "Kids, stop and sit." Tanya sobs, "But my bug, I cannot see it." Paco picks up Tanya's backpack. He pats Tanya on the back. Tanya is sad. Scott stands up. He has a stick. He says, "I can get the bug. I can get it with my stick." Derek spots the big bug. It is snug in his book bag. He sticks his hand in the bag. "It bit me," said Derek. Tanya stops sobbing. The bug is back in her backpack. Derek says the bug is not bad. It is okay. The end.
Yay! Good job, my love. Say bye.
Bye!